Are you ready to get adjusted? Yay! Let's get adjusted. Mama's gonna check your hips first. Okay. Oh, you see the camera and you want to say hi to your friends? Let me check your hips. There we go. Good job. Right hip. Left hip. Yep. There. Whoa, good. Mama's gonna check your tailbone right on your booty. Okay. Oh, you want me to do it when you're on your belly? Okay. You want Mama to do it when you're on your belly. All right. There we go. There we go. Oh, got it. Got it. Got it. All right. We got to check your back. Are you ready? Are you ready? Mom's going to check your back. Yeah. Do you need a block? Here's a block. Green block. A green block. Do you want this? You just want to see the friends with Oh, come here, baby. Okay. Mama's going to check your back like I did when you were a tiny baby, just like this. Just like this. And oh, there's a spot that needs to be adjusted. Are we going to get it? Let's get it. Let's get your nervous system primed and ready and turned on. Yep. Happy nervous system. Oh, Mama feels one more spot. Ready? Oh, there it is. There it is. Boop, boop, boop. Let's get your lumbar spine adjusted. Yeah? Your nervous system's gonna be so happy. And then, Mommy's favorite, your upper cervical. Yay! Here's a block. There we go. All right. All right. Let's work on your neck. Because when you are in alignment, you sleep well and you go poo-poo well. Yeah, and your temperament is great. It is. And sometimes when you need an adjustment, you're uncomfortable. Mommy's almost done. Almost done. Say, I'm done, Dr. Mommy. Oh, all done. You did it. Yay, Ailyn! Yay! We did it! My nervous system is happy! It's on! Powered on! Woo!